Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the title of this video, you know I'm going to be sharing my 5 most worn designer handbags for 2024. I did do a very sad video on my least worn designer handbag, so if you haven't seen that one, check it out after this. You'll see some handbags that did not get as much love as they probably should have, but I do vow to wear more in 2025. But in today's video, we won't be focusing on least worn. We're having a little bit more positivity and focusing on most worn. But before I get into that list, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the handbags. Alright, so like I was saying, I'm going to be breaking down my 5 most worn designer handbags, and I picked 5 because that just seemed like a nice number. In no particular order, one of my most worn designer handbags is this guy from Jacquemus, and I did recently shout out this bag in my best luxury purchases of the year, and I still stand by that. And a big reason why it was one of my best luxury purchases was just the wear that I've had on this bag. Like, the price per wear is great. It's really great. Yeah, I've just gotten so much use out of this bag. It's beautiful, it's casual, it's easy, it's classic, it's neutral, like it's just all the great things of a bag. It's very simple too in design, like it just has this magnetic closure, there's the inside, it is quite spacious, you can fit a lot in here, and I realized that was a little bit of a trend in my least worn bags, was that they were bags that were more of like wallet on chain styles, or very mini bags, and just didn't fit a lot, although spoiler, I do actually have a mini bag in this lineup, so all of that for nothing. But no, I think the way that this has so much space is just easy. It has this kind of relaxed, casual look to it. It just makes it such an easy bag to style. It has this top handle strap, and then you also have a crossbody strap to go with it. Honestly, most recently I've been just using the top handle strap. It's a little bit quicker, easier, no fuss there. But yeah, this is starting us off with such a well-loved and used item, and I honestly can't wait to wear this more in this upcoming year, 2025. I feel like this is still not going anywhere. It's going to be well worn, and honestly surprising by how much I wear this when you see one of the next bags that I have coming out in this lineup. Very similar bag, also has like the top handle style, crossbody style. It's actually a wonder to me how I've gotten so much use out of both of these bags, but somehow I have. And yeah, this is just such a great neutral. It's so cute. It goes well with so many of my different outfits and styles, all that good stuff. So yeah, just right out the gate, a great bag, highly recommend. I did also get this one on sale, so even better. All right, moving along. I might as well just pull out her twin next. We're reaching for it. Here it is. So a very similar kind of styled bag, but not similar, but not similar. It has the over strap here for like a little shoulder bag, and then we do have the crossbody style. The crossbody on here is actually a fabric crossbody, and it has really cute Louis Vuitton design to it. Super cute bag. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I love the empreinte on here. It is so pretty. You can see though, there is some wear in the back, unfortunately. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but I have gotten a lot of use, and a little bit in the front too, a lot of use out of this bag. I've done a bit of travel this year and even last year, and this was my go-to bag for travel. Like, I love this bag for travel because of the versatility of it, and it is truly versatile. Like, this bag with just the little strap on here is so cute, so elegant, so elevated versus having the fabric strap. I just feel like it really transforms the bag. honestly a bit more than the Jacquemus bag, where you are just having two different lengths of leather straps that are literally the exact same strap. Like, this just gives so much variety, so much versatility. It really plays with that formal casual fusion that I love so much. But yeah, this is just such a gorgeous bag. Like I said, gotten so much use out of it. It does have quite a bit of room in it. I don't know what I have in it right now. Oh, a brownie. That's weird. Oh, I actually do know, I do know where this is from. I wore this on Christmas and my mom made brownies with these like mint chips in it, and I really loved it. So I put it in a bag and decided to take it home. Anyways, yeah. So this bag has quite a bit of room in it. It has a little zipper, which is super nice. I love having a zipper style as well as just like an open pouch. It has this kind of like brown felt in here that's really soft, really nice quality. But yeah, this is just such a gorgeous bag, and I kind of alluded towards this in my least worn luxury designer handbag video about how I was scared to wear one of my Louis Vuitton styles that are also a very light color, but honestly, just like deciding to wear this all the time has been such a great decision. I got this for my birthday a couple years ago, and I had really just wanted a Louis Vuitton bag that I was just going to wear. Like, I had this other one that's sitting up and I was scared to use it, and it's just so pretty and delicate, I just didn't want to touch it. And I was like, you know what, no, I want to get a bag I am going to wear. And so even though I didn't end up getting the color that I thought was the most durable or would have the least amount of wear shown, this bag, I fell in love with it because it was just so beautiful. And then I just decided to wear it, and wear it I did. So this has been, again, another year of so much use, so much wear, and still such a beautiful bag, and I love it. I love it. One of my most worn, most loved bags in my collection. So yeah, next, I feel like number 2 is such a high contender on the list. Like I said, no particular order. This one might be my most worn. Let's cycle through a couple more styles. So let's see what's up next. All right, so here is my infamous mini bag to put to shame all of my other poor little mini bags that I had not worn this year and had blamed on the size. And then I look at this one and I'm like, oh, sorry guys, might not have been the size, because this is quite a small bag. So this is from Reformation, and it's little. It's a little bag, pretty much a phone, like a lip gloss. I think there's a lip gloss already in there, and maybe like a card holder, but otherwise, you're really not fitting much. You're not fitting much in this bag, but it is just so cute and honestly so stylish. I got this as a gift. Funny enough, did not purchase this myself. Got this as a birthday gift, and it is just so stinking cute and such a stylish bag. So honestly, I feel like that's why I reach for it so much. Also, I feel like it's just so minimalistic. Like, it's very sleek, like it's giving quiet luxury in my opinion, and I know that has been a huge trend over the last year. And yeah, it's just such a cute little bag. I feel like it's honestly quite durable, so I don't feel bad just like grabbing it, throwing it around, like taking it everywhere. Yeah, it's just such a cute bag. I love how little it is, how mini it is, and I think this is just such a fun style. And yeah, I can't really think of any other reasons why this is like particularly so well worn, but I honestly do reach for this bag so much, and I think because it is just that shoulder style, and that shoulder style is so on trend right now. Yeah, it goes to show it's not about the size of the bag after all. It's just about, I don't know what it's about, but it's not about the size. Yeah, so super cute. Moving on to the complete opposite actually of this bag. What do you know? You know, I got range. I got range in my bags. So my next most worn handbag, designer handbag, and this is Miss Designer of Miss Designer. It is a Chanel classic double flap jumbo, mouthful. But yeah, this is the Chanel jumbo double flap, and it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. She is beauty. She is grace. And this one I did actually get pre-love. I got it on the RealReal, and it is just such a beautiful bag, and I am so happy with this purchase. This was a huge milestone purchase for me. It was my first Chanel bag ever. And yeah, so this is just a really special sentimental bag that I got myself, and yeah, just felt like a milestone of my handbag collection, and it is, and it's such a classic and it's such a staple. And again, this was kind of similar to the Louis Vuitton bag, a bag where I was like, I am going to wear this, like I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna wear it a lot, and I don't care. I don't care. Like, catch me around Costco in this bag, catch me around Target, catch me like at the Dollar Tree. Like, I wear this bag as much as I physically possibly can. Over summer, over winter, like all seasons, I do not care. I will wear this bag if it like even happens to kind of sort of maybe match my outfit. Like, this is gonna be the bag that I'm gonna bring, and I really did, again, just want to push myself to get as much use out of this, because it really makes me sad when I get a bag and it just is for looks to sit on my shelf. And yeah, I want to get use out of it. I spent a lot of money on this, so even though I got it pre-loved, it is still quite a bit of money, if not maybe a little more. And yeah, I really wanted to get some use out of it. Also, the fact I think that it was pre-loved made me feel a little bit more comfortable getting a lot of use out of it, because I figured, you know, maybe the other person got a lot of use out of it too. But yeah, this is such just a classic bag. The double flap and the beautiful like burgundy on the inside. Again, so much room in this one. Such a gorgeous bag. Like I said, got so much use out of this. Honestly, like I probably wore this one every Sunday to church. Like that was kind of my thing. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get use out of this. My Bible fits in here. Like, this is my perfect church bag. But yeah, so much use out of this bag. Such a special bag in general. And again, I know it might seem kind of silly to have like a sentimental feeling towards a bag, towards a thing, but I don't know, it's like really special to me. So yeah, one of my most worn handbags, and that makes me so happy to say so confidently and so honestly, like this really is one of my most worn designer handbags this year, hands down. And I plan to wear this even more in the future. So look out 2025, you're gonna see more Chanel. Moving on to, I guess my last one in the roundup, that was number 4. We're down to our last designer handbag. All right, so this last bag, she is my go-to party handbag, and when you see her, you'll understand why. This is my little Prada re-edition, fully crystalled out. I remember when I got this bag, it was a time in life where this bag was so difficult to find. Like, it was literally impossible to find in stores. It was sold out everywhere. I found this, luckily, in Sydney, Australia, of all places, at the Prada store there, and this was the last one they had, the only one that they had. They had a couple in other colors, like they had this green one and I think a purple one, and I was like, do you have the black crystal one? And she was like, let me check, we may have it. And she was like, didn't want to take it out in the middle of the store. I did a whole unboxing, I don't know why I'm retelling it. I did a whole unboxing and story time of this, so if you want to hear more about this bag, check out that video. But it was quite the experience of purchasing this, but I was so excited to get my hands on it. But yeah, this has been such a go-to party bag. I say party bag like I go to a lot of parties. Not really like a party, but like event bag. That's probably a better explanation, an event bag. And I have been to so many weddings this year. Let me tell you, wedding after wedding after wedding, and this is my wedding handbag. This is my designated wedding handbag. If you have a wedding and you invite me, plan on having this bag there. I think in the past 2 years, I have worn this almost to every wedding I've been to. And why not? Because it's the best event for it. It's fun, it's crystal, it's party, it's beautiful, it's timeless, it's all the fun things. So yeah, I love this bag so much. It is such a go-to reach for me, and I did kind of allude towards this bag a little bit in my least worn handbag video, where I talked about another style that kind of used to be my go-to event bag, but now this has kind of replaced that. I will say though, this is one style where I don't see myself in the future pushing to wear this as an everyday bag. I feel like it's just too sparkly, it's just too fun, and maybe the styles will change and this will be seen more as fun everyday, incorporate into your outfit kind of bag, but I don't know. So as far as it goes for this year, because I just happen to have a lot of events to wear this to, it has been a very well-loved, well-used bag in the year. But going forward, do I think this is gonna be one of my most worn bags in 2025? Probably not really. I do have a couple weddings coming up, so at least a couple uses there, but other than that, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see and find out. But I do really love this bag. Again, it has quite a bit of room. I have the stuffing in it because I like to display this in my office. It's so beautiful, why wouldn't you? That's why I have the stuffing in it. But yeah, there is quite a bit of room in here. Fit all the goodies that you need for an event, for a dinner, for all that good stuff. I also traveled with this one. I think I took this one to a wedding in Mexico. So yeah, just such a beautiful, beautiful handbag. Definitely got a lot of use out of it this year, and I hopefully will continue to use it. Alright, so those are my 5 most worn designer handbags for 2024. As always, be sure to leave a comment down below which bag was your favorite, which one did you like the best. Also, let me know what bags you have been wearing this year. I'm so curious to hear what you guys have to say. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little best of, worst of kind of trend, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. I know I love these videos, so yeah, again, hopefully you enjoy it too. Also, if you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.